Hello everyone. In this session of class 11, I am discussing the division gymnosperms. As you all know that gymnos means naked and sperma means seeds. The seeds of this plant are not enclosed in the fruit. So, these are the seed-bearing plants. They are also called spermatophytes, where the ovules are not enclosed in an ovary, and hence the seeds are naked. They are not enclosed in a fruit. The plant represents the diploid sporophytic phase in the life cycle, and they may be of moderate size like in ginkgo or palm-like in cycas or a tall trees. The tallest gymnosperm is the sequoia. It is also known as redwood trees. Plant body of the gymnosperms is differentiated into root, stems, and leaves. Roots of these plants are mostly taproot, and they become associated with other organisms. For example, in pinus root, they harbor with a fungi and become mycorrhiza. In cycas, the root cortical cells harbor the cyanobacteria like nostoc and anabaena, and the roots are specialized for nitrogen fixation. And they are much branched superfacia, and the roots are called corolloid roots. The stem is unbranched in cycas, but dichotomously branched in ginkgo and profusely branched in conifers like pinus. The leaves are simple in needle and ginkgo, needle-like in conifers like pinus, cedrus, etc., and large and pinnately compound leaves in cycas plants. Leaf shows xerophytic adaptations like thick cuticle, sunken stomata, transfusion tissues, and needle-like leaves to reduce the transpiration process. They have well-developed vascular tissues. Xylem has tracheids and phloem has phloem cells. Xylem vessels are also seen in the needle. Gymnosperms are heterosporous and produces small microspores, which is a male spores, and larger female spores called megaspores. At maturity, certain leaves become modified into sporophylls. Sporophylls are compactly arranged to form the cones. There are two different types of cones are formed in the plant of gymnosperms, the male cone and the female cone. Sporophylls bear the sporangia and spores are produced within the sporangia. There are two types of sporophylls, microphylls and megasporophylls. Microsporophylls are compactly arranged on central axis to form the male cone. They bear microsporangia, where microspore mother cell MMC undergo meiosis to form the haploid microspore. Megasporophylls are compactly arranged into a female cones. In cycas, they remain free or no female cone is formed. Because they bear megasporangia, ovules, where megaspore mother cell undergo meiosis to form the megaspore. The male and female cones may occur in the same plant. They are monoecious, the plant like Pinus, or on different plants. Male and female cone are born on two different plants like in Cycas. So Cycas, they are dioecious. The megasporangium mainly consists of a body called nucellus protected by the integuments. The megaspore mother cell is differentiated from a cell of nucellus that undergoes meiosis to form a tetrad of megaspore, of which 3 degenerated and 1 become the functional megaspore, which repeated undergo mitosis and develops into multicellular female gametophyte. 2 to 8 archegonia become differentiated and each contains 1 female gametophyte. The pollen grains are brought to the surface of nucellus during pollination. Each pollen germinate to form male gametes that are carried by the pollen tube and discharged at the opening of the archegone. Fertilization results in a zygote which develops into an embryo. Ovules become transformed into seeds as the female gametophyte is retained within the ovule on the sporophyte plant, and embryo development also continues on the plant body. Both male and female gametophytes do not have independent existence, thus differ from those of bryophytes and pteridophytes. Gymnosperms exhibits a diplontic life cycle and alternation of generation. The life cycle of a Pinus can be shown because as Pinus, which is a main plant body, is a sporophytic diploid. They form male and female cone. The microsporophyll, megasporophyll bear the microsporangia and megasporangia, and then the microspore mother cell, they form the male gametes, the microspore, haploid one. Megaspore mother cell, they undergo meiosis to form haploid megaspore, and the microspore, they form haploid pollen grains. Megaspore, they form female gametophyte, that is archegonia, the female gametes. Pollen grains, the male gametes. Both the haploid male and female gametes fuses to form diploid zygote, and the diploid zygote divide mitotically to form the diploid embryo, and the seed, diploid seed, is also formed. On germination of these diploid seed, they form the diploid sporophytic plant body. This is the life cycle of a Pinus. So thank you for this session.